if you're experiencing login issues with Kindle Unlimited, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password associated with your Amazon account. If you're unsure, use the Forgot Password option to reset your password. Step 3. Update your Kindle app. Make sure that your Kindle app is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Go to your device's App Store and check for any available updates. Step 4. Clear app cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact Amazon support. If the above steps do not resolve your issue, reach out to Amazon customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot further and provide specific solutions for your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with Kindle Unlimited. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Amazon's support team.